How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back in another video. This is your daily update on Australian dollar versus US dollar, and as we can see today on Wednesday, the new daily candle just started not too long ago, but today on Wednesday, we can see that the price action continued to sell off, creating what? Another lower swing high formation. So you see how price is continuing dropping by creating lower swing highs and lower swing lows. We did have recently that buy stop raid above that swing high, but like I said before, that happens. You're going to get the market, especially on well anticipated news events like CPI, maybe NFP as well. You'll get a raid on stops, and then you can see how price continues going back down in the intended direction and just declining. Look at how many days of selling we had here so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going into Thursday. Thursday could probably make the low of the week, and then Friday can close it back up higher, maybe running back up into the old 60-day low. So price could come back down and then probably hit this again and probably go lower. So some type of ideal, retail break support turn resistance here. Looking at the DXY, we can see we're still pushing up for that 20-day look back high. We also had that fair value gap here that we mentioned that we could see price pull back down into. We can see here, like I mentioned in the previous episode, we got a small body candle. And what did I say to expect tomorrow? Possibly a large range body candle coming back into play. You can see that there. So you went from small to large today. And the draw on liquidity clearly was up because look at where the candle was closing. Trying to get somewhere. Candles closing up above highs, showing a great sense of wanting to move higher. That's a good sign. Seeing the closes of the candles being above the previous daily high. But do watch out for smash day candles. If you get a candle that comes, well above highs and then gets back to that low point, you might be running into your turning point, or what Larry Williams would say, they're about to smash the sellers or smash the buyers towards one direction by falsifying the move up and having it close well above many highs just to then sell it on them because it's overbought. But nonetheless, we can see AU is going lower, which would mean GU is potentially still going lower. We have here, we had the low of the month. Now this has reclaimed the low of the month for GU. We got that at IPTA 20-day low. We've been sitting here for a while. GU has been consolidating. So we can see that here. Price hasn't really significantly lower lows or higher highs right now. Trading inside a range. So we got this low and this high. Price is still inside that range right now. Looking at Euro, you can see it's still declining, not respecting what? The bullish order block mixed in with the fair value gap here, where the market structure occurred. So you got that swing high formation. We draw it out just to reference. There it is. But our price does hit that line multiple times inside the zone as well. It's all stacked in here. Gives small reactions multiple times below August's opening price here. So it's a discount, leads to scalp opportunities multiple times. Eventually it gives way, and you can see how it's breaking through, showing no regards to this fair value gap here. And even the last two down close candles here before the up move. So it's just running through that, probably trying to get to the 20-day look back low. And that's EU. I think we have New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar has just been running as well. We thought this was going to be the low of the month, but it wasn't, because we realized that price action was going to continue going lower and dollar is going to go higher, as we said in previous episodes. You can see this is the opening month of New Zealand dollar, and price just was declining multiple times, creating lower swing lows and lower swing highs. So you can see, look at how this is a swing high. This is a lower swing high here. There's another lower swing high here. There's another lower swing high here. Another lower swing high here. And it's almost made another lower swing high, just like how AU came up and took out the previous daily high and then went lower. But you can see it already took out the 20-day low, which was down here, this here. Took out, let's say, the 40, I think that is the 40-day, if we had to measure this out too as well. Took out the 40-day low already. And we definitely took out the 60 as well. So there goes your if the lows being killed. Like I said, normally in sell setups at the beginning of the month, I really want to see price coming up, taking out a high, going in a premium, right? Maybe a recent swing high as a raid, and then going short. But we didn't get that. Off the rip, most of the currencies that were against the dollar just completely dropped at the open or at the beginning of the month. That normally gives nobody the opportunity to get that discount sell that we're all looking for. Well, at least what I'm looking for, and which suggests you guys looking forward to as well. See here, multiple times it comes up and it raids highs, raids highs, raids this high, raids this high, and then finally it gets out of there. Those are the preferred setups. GU doesn't do that. You see how at the open of the month immediately goes down, and we're currently trading in a range, but we could be looking at this as counter trend candles, and price probably going to break down lower after these two up closes. But we're not really talking about GU. We're mainly concerned with AU. And we can see it's still declining lower. If we just take a look at the weekly where we are relative to price, we just recently ran out that swing low with this week's candle. So this week, look at the draw. It was on this swing low. 1, 2, 3. That's the swing point. How close it is to price, most likely is going to draw there. We could probably see price potentially come down into the last down close candle from this rally. We haven't been here in a long time. So price gets back down here. We could potentially expect some type of like reaction. So price comes down, may get a response or a scalp opportunity going into that day when it taps into this during some type of kill zone. So hopefully this is insightful. Peace.